Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we dive into the world of Christmas wreath in different or in our custom in price seasons and actually organizations and peoples. And do you want and the good colors and the good combinations, very nice colors and the very nice designings to prove to yourself abundance in your wide and weight colors. To organizations, pictures and multiple organizations, and coming to how on multi organizations in your minimize to your in many designs and many colors to prove to your abundance colors combinations and wind up your custom organization and videos. Christmas wreath in the all years of December month. December month in functions. Of an ideal in the video. Hundreds and 100 designs to the portrait Christmas wreath and ideas. To your people and color combination and designings. To your organization in the wall. Pick to your up colors. In Christmas people are two organizations in the minimize and popular colors and ideals, and so fit any two designs, 100 color and 100 designs. So grab your yarn hook in the Christmas wreath. Christmas wreath of front and back door, outside in our doors. If you enjoy this tutorial and video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Tell me as comment in your below buttons. Thank you so much for watching in my all videos.